So the next curtain wall is to the rear here. So we'll start the same process over again. We'll go to our wall tool, curtain wall. We'll select empty. We'll then go to edit type, duplicate, rename it to curtain wall rear. Press OK. And just to save us in the future, we're going to go to automatically embed and turn that on now. Press OK. And then we can draw our curtain wall. So this here is the footprint of our curtain wall. And this one we actually have a curve. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our width and our height correct. So our width is 5223. So we'll select it, change our width to 5223. And then we'll place a section view in front of the curtain wall, flipping it around. Again, reducing the depth of view if it's in the building. Double tap the beak. And there we have our curtain wall. So the height is 6 meters. So we'll select our curtain wall. Come to our top constraint. Select unconnected. Change it to 6 meters. So to create this curve, as you'll see here, the lines are pink, and that is the footprint of the curtain wall. So we can select the curtain wall, go to edit profile, and I'm going to use my fillet arc tool with the radius of 4000. So I use my fillet arc tool with the radius of 4000. Green tick to finish. And then next, this is what we'll do again, same like before, adding in the segments, up 2200, 500, 300, up 2200, 500, 300. Start off with the center point there, so we get a meter either side. So we'll go to our curtain grid. There we'll select our first segment, equally spaced, correct, and then a meter either side. And then up 2200, 500, 300, and so on. So up 2200. 500, 300. Up 2200. 500, 300. Next, we'll remove this inner segment here. So again, we'll just select the segment, add, remove, and select. And again, we're going to put in a double door here. So just select the panel. So hover over the segment, hitting the tab key. Once it's highlighted and selected, then go to our type selector, change it over to a double door. And finally place mullions. I'm going to use the all grid line and click. You're going to get some issue here. It's only because of the curve. It's not a problem. Just press escape. So last thing to do is to go back to our ground floor plan. We can select it, click and drag, and drop it into place. And there we have our curtain wall to the rear. So on this level here, you're able to see the slab behind the glazing. So what we can do is we can actually change that panel to a solid panel. So you can do that in the 3D view. Again, just so putting the cursor over the panel, selecting the tab key until the panel becomes highlighted. Click with the mouse. We can change it over to solid. Same again, tab,